Ever spent hours manually stitching together AWS, GCP, and Azure cost data just to chase down a runaway inference bill? This skill gives you API first integration with AWS Cost Explorer, GCP BigQuery billing exports, and Azure Cost Management, automatically aggregating granular metrics like GPU hour costs, token pricing tiers, and egress fees into a unified dashboard. No more spreadsheets named cost nightmare v17.xlsx. For ML ops engineers, data scientists, and ML leads juggling multi cloud ops, it's like giving your budget a 24/7 bodyguard. Here's what's inside the Building AI Cost Tracking Dashboard skill: real time API connectors for cloud provider billing data, dynamic dashboards with drill downs for model training costs, inference latency trade offs, and regional resource sprawl. Anomaly detection alerts that auto trigger when fine tuning jobs go off the rails. Historical trend analysis with LLM specific tagging for experiment cost comparison. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just visibility, it's financial control for your AI stack. Installing the Building AI Cost Tracking Dashboard skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building AI cost tracking dashboard. That's it. You'll get the complete skill with expert level guidance on AWS IAM policies, GCP service account setup, and Azure cost export pipelines. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. The same for your AI assistant's new knowledge of cost optimization patterns, budget forecasting workflows, and cloud provider specific gotchas. No spreadsheets harmed in the making of this dashboard. Now, go build something brilliant without blowing your budget.